Welcome to day 31 of our Python for Data Science course. In this section, we will dive into data visualization with Matplotlib, a powerful library used to create static, animated, and interactive visualization. In this session, I will be guiding you. Let's begin by understanding what Matplotlib is. Matplotlib is a Python library that allows us to create various types of visualizations, from simple line plots to more advanced plots like 3D and animated graphs. The key component of Matplotlib is the pyplot module, which provides MATLAB-like functions for plotting. First up, we have the line plot. A line plot is used to display data as a series of points connected by straight lines. This type of plot is particularly useful when we want to visualize trends over time or in continuous data. Here's a simple example. We have values for x and y, and we use the plot function to plot them. Next, we move on to bar plots. Bar plots are excellent for comparing discrete categories. Each bar represents a different category or value. In the code example here, we are comparing the sales of four categories, represented as bars. Another important plot is the scatter plot. Scatter plots help us show the relationship between two continuous variables. In this example, we plot x and y values as points on the graph. Each point represents a single observation, making scatter plots great for identifying patterns or correlations in data. To make our plots more informative, we can add titles and labels. By adding a title to the plot and labeling the x and y axes, we make the plot much clearer for anyone viewing it. Here's how we do it with the title, x label, and y label functions. We can further enhance our plots by adding a grid for better readability and legends to explain what each line or data series represents. In this example, we are plotting two lines and adding a grid as well as a legend to identify the lines. Customization does not end with labels and legends. We can also control the colored line styles and markers in our plots. This is useful when we want to distinguish between multiple lines or emphasize certain data points. In this example, we change the line style to dashed and use circular markers. Sometimes we may want to display multiple plots within a single figure. This is where subplots come in handy. Subplots allow us to create a grid of plots so we can compare multiple data visualizations side by side. Here we create a one row, two column subplot to show a line plot and a scatter plot together. Let's look at some more advanced customizations. Histograms are used to display the distribution of data, and pie charts are great for visualizing proportions. In the example, we plot a histogram to show the distribution of data points and a pie chart to visualize the percentage breakdown of categories. Once we have customized our plots, we often want to save them for later use. Matplotlib allows us to save our plots as images. Using the savefig function, we can save our plots in various formats like PNG, JPG, or SVG. Now let's take a look at some mini project ideas. You can practice what you have learned by creating your own visualizations. For example, You could create a line plot to visualize stock market trends, a bar plot to compare sales of different products, or a scatter plot to analyze the relationship between temperature and humidity. To summarize, today we covered the basics of data visualization with Matplotlib. We learned how to create line, bar, and scatter plots and how to customize them with titles, labels, grids, and colors. We also explored advanced customizations like histograms, pie charts, and subplots. As your next step, try creating your own plots and experiment with different datasets. Happy coding!